Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to play Fortnite on your PC. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. Then go ahead guys and log into your account or create a new account if you do not already have one. After logging in guys to your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games that you have on Epic Games Store and all the games that you can buy. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up our library guys. If you have already downloaded Fortnite, then it will appear here. But guys, if you do not have Fortnite downloaded, what you want to do is then go ahead and search the store for Fortnite. So go right here in the option, the upper left corner where it says search store, and search for Fortnite. So guys, after searching for Fortnite, it will come here in the drop down menu. You want to click on it and this will take you to the installation page where you will be able to download the game. So guys, after you're finished downloading the game, now we can successfully start the game. And what you want to do is just go ahead and click on the game right here. And after clicking the game guys, now this will start up the game and let you play it. So guys, after starting up the game, this will take you to the screen right here, which is the main menu of Fortnite. So guys, on here, you can select the mode that you will want to play by clicking on this icon right here in the right corner. Click on this icon guys where it says change, and now you can select what you want to play. So I'm going to go and play, let's say, I'm going to select some kind of Fortnite competitive arena mode. Let's say I want to play this, then just go ahead guys and select that. You can play Battle Royale solo, and after you're finished guys and you're sure that you want to play, just go ahead and click the play button right here guys, and now this will start the matchmaking option for you. And when it finds a match, it will automatically start for you. So yeah guys, that's how you do it, that's how you get started with playing Fortnite. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.